So now let me show you the second way of making a character, which is from a single image. So let's say that you got from your designer a single image and you need to split it into its different pieces. So in this case I'm going to draw a star. So let's say that this is our character. So right there, that's our character. But now we want to split into different pieces. So the way to do that is, first I'm going to duplicate the layer. And in this case I'm going to use this for the head. So the base image that has a whole image, I'm going to decrease its opacity, something like that, because I want to use it as a guide. The next step is to click on the Alt key and selecting in this case, the head image or the head layer. And by clicking the Alt key and then here, because I'm going to add a layer mask. So that added a layer mask, and what we are seeing here, it's basically the faded background from the star image, and we're going to use it as a guide. So now what we need to do is select a white color as my foreground color, and by selecting the mask only, not the image but the mask, I'm going to select a brush tool, and I think this is the right size. So what I want to do now is to uncover only the portion that belongs to the head only, something like that. And I want to select a little bit more, because when I move the head I want to make sure that I have enough space to make the head move correctly without showing any gaps on the image. So I think this is okay. So now we have the head. Let's hide this one. I'm going to duplicate the base layer again, and now I'm going to work on the right arm. So there's a right arm, and the same thing, I'm going to click on the Alt key and then click on add a layer mask, and now I'm going to uncover just one thing. Because I duplicated the star image, it also duplicated the opacity, and I want to have it at 100%. So the base image is going to be at 24% opacity, but not the other layers. Okay, so now I'm going to select again the layer only, select the white foreground color, my brush tool, and now I'm going to uncover the right arm. I think that's okay. So next one is going to be the left arm. Duplicate layer. So now I am drawing the left arm. So that's ready. Let's continue with the next layer, which is going to be the right leg. Oh, sorry, not this one. I need to duplicate it. I forgot to add the opacity. Why can I duplicate the layer? Okay, duplicate layer. This is going to be left leg. Change the opacity. Okay. Okay, that's done. The last piece is the center. Change the opacity first. I think that should do it. So now I'm going to hide the full image for the star, and let's uncover the different pieces and see if our star looks okay. So I see I have some gaps, so let's fix them. So let's see. I think here I have a problem with the head. So I think that's gonna make it. It's going to fix it, I think. Then I have a problem with the right arm. Let me make this bigger. So the left arm as well. Let's fix the head again. Okay. The left leg. And I think that's it. So let's save this project. So the next step is to export the star, the different layers of the star, and remember to change the prefix. So it's gonna be star iPad, and it's ready to go. Okay, so let's check. This is the center, the head, left arm, left leg, right arm, right leg, and the full image for the star. So we have the whole image. Now let me just export something else. I need to export the complete picture of the star. So let me export that as well, so I can use it as a guide when I'm working with spine. So now we cover the two ways of creating a character. One is drawing each of the individual pieces, and the second way, which is starting from a single image and then splitting all the parts in order to get individual pieces of the body. So that with that I finished this tutorial, and now let's continue with the next one.